Hey Tanmay, are you free?
Yeah, hi Ronak, tell me.
Well, a lot of people asking one question like from last 2-3 weeks. Is it really necessary to buy home theater in 2021? I mean, what do you think? Can you give me few reasons?
What is it? You don't want me to be here and do my business? Well, my reason for buying home theater is very simple. But before I tell you my reason, I want to know what is your real worry or real fear that you all have of not buying a home theater. Because well, if I'm going to give you my reasons, I need to understand your reasons as well. That why are you feeling that you should not buy a home theater? So for those of you who already have got the answers or who have their fears in mind, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I will like to reply to each one of you in this particular video and understand your fears or tackle your fears and tell you that why you should need to get over it and why you need to really buy a home theater. Okay? Hello everyone, I am Tanmay Mehta, your home technology consultant at Touchwood Automations, and like always, I am going to help you make better, well-informed and correct decisions through my videos, and I am going to help each one of you make all these decisions while you're buying anything and everything in the home technology industry. But today's question that I'm going to answer for all of you is very tricky, because that determines my one of the real purposes, that why am I here and why I do what I do every day. Well, why do you need to buy a home theater? As I said, the answer is very simple for me, and I'm going to put it out in 5 reasons only. So I'm not going to make it very complicated for you guys. So one of the first reasons is that this lockdown has actually helped us consume more content online. Okay, right from the social media content that we have been consuming to the online platforms that are there, all this content has been increasing every day, and that is one of the reasons why you need a home theater. Yes, because this OTT content is there out in Full HD 4K content, and it is supporting at least 5.2 and Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision, all these standards are there. And that is the same reason why you can't just watch that content on a small iPad or a telephone screen, and you need a home theater surround sound, or you need a good projector, or you need a good TV to enjoy this content. So that is one of the first reason why you need to buy home theater. Yes guys, OTT is going to come out strong. I know that many of you would say that okay, so what, the cinema multiplexes are still now coming back to their business. Guess what, they are going to be there, but I'm not denying the fact that multiplexes are going to die. They have to be there and they will be there. But with the lockdown, what has happened is that there is another platform that has been created for all the content creators and creative directors, producers to showcase their talent as well, and that content is streaming right in your house and you are watching them first day first show kind of thing. And to do that, if you don't have a great system, you are not going to really enjoy that content. So that is one of the first reasons why you need to buy a home theater. The second reason, obviously coming back to the same multiplex kind of topic, the reason why we all used to go to cinema hall is because of the experience. I know the movie was great, but the reason why we chose to watch that movie in the theater was the experience that the theater can give you to watch that movie, so that you feel that you are part of that movie, right? Now, if you want to recreate that same cinema hall experience, you again need to buy a home theater. Yes, buying a home theater can give you an exact cinema hall experience. Not just that, I've got many customers who have complimented us saying that, you know what, Tanmay, this home theater is much more better than going to a multiplex. Well, that is what the magic is about having a home theater in your house, which can give you a much more better experience than that you have in a cinema hall. Okay? So that's my reason number 2, that we are trying to recreate a cinema hall experience in your house when you buy a home theater. Now the third reason is very simple. The technology has been upgraded. Nobody's buying Full HD TV right now. Everybody's buying 4K TV. The reason why you're buying that, because you know that that's futuristic. The content is coming in 4K. The TV needs to be 4K. The AV receivers are coming in Atmos. People are investing in the Atmos soundbars or Atmos home theater packages. Well, these technologies have become affordable and easily accessible to us, and that is my third reason why you should buy home theater. Because earlier days, all these technologies were at a little higher cost, but today the cost of all these equipments is coming down because it's becoming easily accessible or easily affordable to buy such systems, and that is the reason why you need to buy a home theater. Okay, now the fourth reason to buy a home theater is that in earlier days you had too many cables running around between the TV to the amplifier, between the amplifier to the speakers, everything. Now some of the cables will still be there, but there are some alternative solutions that are also there. So if you're buying sound bars, you've got a wireless home theater network for yourself. Even the connection between the TV and the amplifier is come down to only one cable. You don't need multiple cables running around the house. So that is the fourth reason that less number of cables has pushed the sale of home theater to a very high extent, and that is the reason why you can or why you need to buy a home theater. So before I jump into the fifth reason, I want you all to tell me that what is one of the biggest great thing that has happened in lockdown. We all stayed at home. We were asked to be indoors. We could hardly meet anyone. And now that we are again meeting in every event, where are we meeting them? Most of us are still preferring to be home with with your set of people, your friends, your relatives, your close family members. You want to sit home. And what do we do when we all are together? We create memories. We want to enjoy those moments, right? And one of the best things that can happen, or one of the best things that you can actually do when you're all together, is enjoy your home theater. So all the other four reasons were all logical based, that okay, this is it, the technology is there, the products are coming easily accessible and everything. But one of the fifth reason that I have to buy home theater is more connected towards the emotional side of it. And believe me, home theater is something that will actually bring your family close. It will give a reason for you to celebrate occasions with your family. It will give you reasons to celebrate your parties with your friends by calling them or by inviting them home. And that is the fifth reason that why you need to buy a home theater. So if you resonate with all these five reasons or either of these five reasons, I think all you have to do is look around in your house, find that room, find that place where you can install that home theater and start enjoying it. You know that this pandemic has taught us a lot of things. One of the things is that life is so unpredictable. Anything can happen to anybody today. So live your limited life to the fullest by investing in a great home theater so that you can enjoy and live those memories forever. So with that, I think, Ronak, you have got your answers as to why do you need to buy a home theater, and I think all of you also have got your answers that why should you really buy a home theater. That's it from my end, guys. Yes, I think Ronak has something more to add. Yes, Ronak.
So well, thank you so much for the brief answer. But what if some of our subscribers want to connect and want to have idea like how to build a home theater? So how will they connect you?
Okay. So to do that, I've got an interesting link over here that I'm going to share across with all of you. With that link, you can avail our services, which is T20, wherein you and I can have a telephonic conversation for 20 minutes, and I can literally help you decide on the home theater system, equipments, pricing, whatever help you need. I'm there, easily accessible with this particular T20 service. So that's one way of connecting with each other. The second way of connecting with me would be using the home run services, and this service is more for those who are coming up with the new houses and they are confused as to how do I plan home theater, where do I plan it, do I do it in my living room, bedroom, or do I need a special guest bedroom or a dedicated theater room. If these are all your queries, and if you need a special 1-hour video call wherein we can have the layout in front, or you can walk me through your house, and this service is known as home run. So that is how we can also connect, and I can help you make better, well-informed and correct decisions. So these are a couple of services which you can use, and I think that is how we can stay connected with each other. Does that answer your question?
Well, definitely. Thank you so much, Tanmay.
Yes. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Ronak, for these wonderful questions. I hope they all helped you. Keep sharing, keep subscribing, keep liking our videos so that I can stay here and continue to help you with the best of the knowledge that I have to share with all of you. Thank you.